I'm here at the Parque Santiago 3 shopping centre in Tenerife. This is just by the Golden Mile, and if you fancy a little bit of shopping, well, the shops here are beautiful. There's plenty of places where you can sit, relax and have a drink as well. So if you're coming to Tenerife and you're in the Las Americas area, definitely come down and visit. Let's go and take a look around. And remember, if you are coming to Tenerife or any of the Canary Islands, you're here for a good time, not a long time. So let Mr. TravelON tell you what to do and all the things to do in Tenerife and the Canary Islands. Come on, let's go have a nose around. So everything's so glam and everything's so grand in Tenerife, especially down in the Golden Mile area. And this place is no exception. I mean, even the hot dogs look posh, don't they? But you can get yourself a lovely drink here, look. Little cafe, out of the sun. Or you can sit in the sun over there, look. But you can get yourself a nice smoothie, a cake, a coffee, whatever you fancy. And you can sit yourself down here and just take it all in. So there are plenty of places to come shopping, and whatever you need, you can probably find it down here. Now, Visanta is one of the electrical shops that you can certainly get real things. I know in the Canaries, it is a little bit tricky to suss out which of the electrical shops you can trust, but Visanta have been here the longest. All the locals use them, and they are very, very reputable. You've got some other places down here as well, OM Electronics, but it's nice just to come down for a little walk around. It is early doors, so some things are closed. It's around 10:30. I'm sure things are going to be opening soon. But you can come and get gifts, look. You've got a place here called Crystal Studios. This is lovely, look. You can get your photo in an actual crystal. Should we go in and see if we can find out some more? Wow, so look at this. This is like a sort of 3D 6D image that is in glass. This is beautiful. This is the machine, look. It goes in there and basically puts your photo in crystal. And you can have everything, look, all the different designs. That is stunning. What do you reckon? So you have got some other sort of electrical shops here. You've got one called Macy's Digital. I don't know how reputable they are. Like I said, the locals all use Visanta, and Visanta seems to be the one. But there's lots to do down here, lots to see, lots of different shops, look. You've got leather shops here. And do you know what I like? I haven't been hassled once while walking by. Now, I know it's early doors, maybe the coffee hasn't kicked in yet, but so far so good. You got some clothes shops as well. Really cool sort of rock memorabilia look and printed t-shirts here. This is a really cool shop, look. Need to do some washing while you're here on holiday? Well, you've got a laundrette as well. Are you doing some holiday washing?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yes, look at that. Fantastic. That's handy, isn't it? Brilliant. Some more little boutique shops there. The ladies will love this. Mrs. TravelON will be in her element down here. And you can even get your nails done, look. So gentlemen, if you want your hair cut, look, well, this is the place to be. Miguel. Hello Miguel, how are you? This place looks lovely. Can we come in? Come on, let's have a look. Wow. So you are the barber of Tenerife?
Barber live in Tenerife only 1 year.
Wow. So where were you a barber before?
27-year professional barber shop in Cuba.
In Cuba?
In Cuba.
Wow. That is fantastic. And you do the shave as well?
Shaver, okay, very nice.
You do that here,
yeah,
the shave?
Perfect. Okay.
Wow, it's beautiful. Look at this. So come and see Miguel, look. He's in the Parque Santiago 3 shopping centre. Come and have a shave.
Yeah.
Come and get your hair cut. I mean, I don't have any hair, Miguel, but
thank you.
I will definitely, people will come and see you.
Or zero skin fade.
Yeah.
Shave.
Oh, okay. The wet shave.
Yeah.
Fantastic, brilliant.
Thank you.
I might come for a shave if this grows there. And you, see you soon, bye. How nice was Miguel? And like I said, this isn't a sponsored ad or anything like this. This is just me helping the local businesses, and I like to do that. You know, they're down here, they're working hard. Come down. That looks like a beautiful barber shop. If you're coming down here and you want to get yourself shaved up, I love a good old wet shave. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm ready yet. Maybe in a couple of days. So this place literally goes on and on and on and on and on And from the outside, it looks very small, but once you get inside, it's like a full-on shopping centre, look. Bull are there, look. Don't know what they do. I think they do bags and perfumes and stuff. And we're still going, we're still going, we're still going. It never ends. You've got another little sort of boutique gentleman's shop in here, look, that does really cool shirts and stuff. That's nice, look, with all the cufflinks. Bit too smart for Mr. TravelON, what do you reckon? Other hairdressers. You've even got a United Colours of Benetton shop there. I didn't even know the United Colours of Benetton was still a thing. Did you? Toy shop for the kids, look. If they're bored on holiday, which I doubt it, but you know what kids are like these days. Well, a little bit of Lego. Little bit of Lego will keep them occupied. If they're of that age. Unfortunately, mine are more interested in PlayStation and the Switch. You've got Princerio bikinis there, just in case you haven't packed your best Primark bikini. Well, you can get one there. I'm sure it'll be better quality. And all the shops are quite boutiquey, aren't they? It'd be nice to have a little browse around and a little look. And one thing that does surprise me, and I've had a little sneak around this hotel, is that you can actually walk and have a little nose at the pool here, look. Because there's a little restaurant or cafe that's open. Here, look. So you can grab yourself something to eat and drink right at the end. So this is a little hidden gem. I'm assuming this is open to the public. And well, if you fancy it, look, you can sit here and have a nose on the people stopping in the hotel. I don't know how I'd feel about that if I was stopping in the hotel. So there you go, that's a little hidden gem, isn't it? If you keep walking all the way to the end, you're literally in the pool of the hotel. Little cafe there to sit and relax. I don't know if you could sneak in and use the facilities. You know Mr. TravelON, he sneaks in everywhere. I've actually snuck in there and had a look around. I was like 007. If I'd have known this place existed before, I'd have just bowled in there at any time. But anyway, there is a full video on that hotel and it is lovely. So come on, let's see what else we can find in the shopping centre. Even more along this side here, look, with a nice little place to sit in the sun or the shade. And you've got a really cool shoe shop here, Foot on Mars. They do some really cool things. Look, I tell you what, everyone's so friendly in Tenerife. Everyone's so friendly. Look at all these trainers. You got all your top clobber in here. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I like this shop.
Yeah, you know.
We have one of these in Lanzarote, in Puerto Calero.
Really?
Yes, yes. I live in Lanzarote, so.
Inside we have good shoes.
It's beautiful. Oh, wow, look at this. Wow, look at this, look. So if you want to get yourself some good shoes, look, some Nike Air Jordans and things, well, there you go. Even a little bit of Lacoste. Fashion gurus out there. They're all very nice people, aren't they, in Tenerife? Another perfume shop here. Do you know what I haven't saw in here? A Fundegrube. I would have thought they would have been straight in here. But there are Fundegrubes on the Golden Mile and all around Tenerife. And that's the one with the yellow elephant. You got another sports shop here, Intersport. And I think that brings us to the end of this side. So there you go, that was the Parque Santiago shopping centre. It's just on the Golden Mile. If you fancy coming down here, having a little bit of a browse, come a little bit later than 10:30 because not everything is open as yet. But it's a nice place, get yourself something to eat, get out of the sun and do a little bit of holiday browsing and see what you can buy and take home, either as a gift or for yourself. Mr. TravelON, as you know, he's tight as hell. So I'm getting out of here. And I'm certainly not going to bring Mrs. TravelON here because she'll be spending my money like nobody's business. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe. And remember, if you're coming on holiday to any of the Canary Islands, you're there for a good time, not a long time. Make sure to book your excursions in advance. Save yourself some time, stress and a little bit of wonga. And make sure to follow Mr. TravelON. I'll help you out all the way. See you in the next video. Love you all. Bye.